How to insert a Word document to another Word document. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can insert a Word document from one Word document into another Word document. Now here's how you can do it. First, here I'll be showing you on the browser, but the process is quite similar on the app itself as well. Now here you can see I've opened a Word document with 3 pages, and on the next Word document there is a single page here and the rest are blank. Now what you need to do is first select the page that you want to copy to another document. Now here select the page, simply left click on the mouse from the top and to the bottom, drag it, and you can see all text will be selected. And once you do it, what you want to do is copy it. Simply right click and then you can copy it. Right click on the mouse and copy it, or you can simply press Ctrl plus C button on your Ctrl plus C button on your keyboard once you select the words or the page. Now once you do it, what you want to do is head into the document, to the Word document where you want to add it. Now here on where do you want to add it? If you want to add in between first and second page, if you want to add in second and third page. Now I'll just add it into first, in between first and second page. What you want to do is either at the bottom of the first page or at the top of the second page. What you want to do is I'll just open it up. Now I'll be doing it here, and now what you want to do is what you want to type it here. You can see the mouse there. What you want to do once here is press in Ctrl plus Enter. Now it will take you to next page. Simply click on enter here and you can see the new page has opened up. Now here simply type in, click on your mouse on the blank page and then press in Ctrl plus V. Press Ctrl plus V button or simply right click on the mouse and you can paste it. Then you can see the words will be added here. So this way you can add or you can insert a Word document from one Word document to another Word document. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.